Welcome to Bitunix Rewards Guide 1. Today, we cover the Futures Bonus. A Futures Bonus is promotional credit for perpetual futures. It is separate from your own balance, and it is for futures trading only. Depending on the reward card rules, it may help offset trading fees, funding fees, and eligible trading losses. The Futures Bonus is generally used first when deductions apply. The bonus itself is not withdrawable, but profits you earn may be withdrawable, subject to platform rules. When a position closes at a loss, eligible fees and losses may be deducted from the bonus. When a position closes in profit, the bonus may still be deducted if the ratio is 50% or 100%. If the ratio is 0%, no deduction applies under normal conditions. Use it if you are new to perpetual futures and want a lower pressure way to practice. It can provide eligible margin support under the coupon rules. If a 50% or 100% deduction ratio is available, it may offset part of eligible fees or eligible losses while you learn. Use it if you trade frequently, such as scalping or short-term momentum trading. When the coupon supports fee or loss deductions, it can reduce eligible costs across repeated entries and exits within the validity period. Always confirm the valid period and deduction rules on the reward card before redeeming. Use it during periods of high volatility. If your futures bonus supports a 0% deduction setting, it may act as a protection mode where the bonus is not consumed under normal conditions and may only apply when your own margin is close to being exhausted, according to the coupon terms. In extreme volatility, the system may adjust the deduction behavior based on the coupon rules. Use it for longer-term trend positions. If the coupon allows eligible cost deductions, it may help offset ongoing costs such as funding fees while it remains valid, reducing how much of your own balance is used during longer holding periods. Always check the reward card, redeem deadline, validity period, deduction ratio, and restrictions. Use coupons that expire soon first. That is the Futures Bonus on Bitunix. Trade responsibly and always manage risk.